just loud, Mo Willems. All right, we have one more elephant and piggy we want to share. We're not done, but this will be our next elephant and piggy. If you guys don't like elephant and piggy, if you like elephant and piggy, and you like the books that READiculous does, even this show or other shows, when you leave, there's a table set up with books on display from this show, from other shows, and there's also the ones over by the windows. But the next one that we are going to do is Pigs Make Me Sneeze.
Gerald! What do you want to do today?
I want,
Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Are you okay?
I do not know. I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze?
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Jerry.
No, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye.
Gerald.
Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. And Piggy is also my best friend. Oh, great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
A cold.
I am sick! Yes! Oh, thank you,
You
Dr.
are
Cat.
sick.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Cat. Oh, Piggy! 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 Great news, Piggy! I have a cold.
Good for you.